2018 Ferrari GTC4Lusso T. A twin-turbo V8 steps in for the V12, and rear drive replaces all-wheel drive. Ferrari offers its buyers myriad customization options, but this choice is yours philosophy generally doesn't extend to powertrains. And yet that's what we have with the introduction of the GTC4Lusso T, which offers a twin-turbocharged V8 rather than the GTC4Lusso's naturally aspirated V12. The GTC4Lusso, you'll recall, is an evolution of the pioneering Ferrari FF, the 2012 model that brought a shooting brake body style and all-wheel drive to the four-place Ferrari Grand Touring car. The GTC4Lusso massaged the styling, to pleasing effect, as well as other aspects of the car, but left the powertrain layout alone. The Lusso T, which will be sold alongside the Lusso, uses Ferrari's twin-turbocharged 3.9-liter V8 seen also in the Portofino. The 488 GTB's 3.9-liter is slightly different, with a 1.0mm longer stroke. This isn't just an engine swap, however. The Lusso T also ditches the V12 car's complicated and unusual all-wheel drive system in favor of simpler, lighter rear-wheel drive. The sum of those two changes results in a claimed weight loss of 121 pounds. As that reduction all comes off the front end, the rear weight bias increases to 54% from 53%. Hard transplant. The V8, though, is the heart of the matter. Compared with the older, shorter stroke 3.9 in the California T, the flat-plane crankshaft V8 gets new pistons and intercoolers, a revised air intake, and a new exhaust system. Max output is 602 horsepower at 7,500 revolutions per minute versus 591 for the Portofino and 661 for the 488 GTB, while peak torque for all three is an identical 561 pounds-to-foot at 3,000 revolutions per minute. The 6.3-liter V12 in the GTC4Lusso makes another 78 horsepower, which comes 500 revolutions per minute higher up the tank, but less torque, 514 pounds-to-foot at 5,750 revolutions per minute.